Welcome. Take a moment to find a space where you can be entirely undisturbed. You have arrived here because your soul is ready to shift, to remember and to recalibrate. Gently close your eyes. Feel the ground beneath you and the space around you. We are moving beyond the noise of the day, beyond the expectations of the mind, and into the sanctuary of your own energetic field. There is no need to do anything and nothing to solve. Simply allow yourself to be a receptive vessel. We are about to engage with a frequency transmission designed to clear the static and bring you back into alignment with your own inherent sovereignty. Take a deep cleansing breath in and let it go. Let the words dissolve. Simply listen and let the resonance do the work. We begin now.
Kasha karaneka taranaka kara ereka tora matata tera karatera nesho koko kerataka ereka tora kasheka karateka masho kora ka Goraka kareka ireta toka, karaneka oratasho, karatasho ereta toka karanaka ereka tora kasho, karanaka kora ereto toka ka, karateka eretara, karatera masho koko ka, eresho tata karanaka kera, karatera o. Oreta toka kashoka ke reta kora karareka kesho naka karanaka kera iteka to ereta tora tata taratesho karatesho erota kera ereta tera eshoka kera naka karanaka reka ereka toka katoka kasho karatasho ereta toka mataka Karaka karateka kora kera naka kesho ereta taka kora karatoka kara kera ereta to karesho karanaka ke ereta tara dosha karanaka o ereka ko karatoka reka kera tasho karatoka reka to ereta ta karesho ereka Karanaka oratasho karamata oreta tasho kasho keratasho karaneka tora ereka tora etoka kara daka eshoka maka kera ereta toka kara karatoka rosha ereta tara o mataka kara karataka kora ereko kosha Karaneko to, ereto to tatasho, kartasho, ereka kasho, o tasho kereka, erena naka matora, ereto tata, ereta to, kosha kera tosha, eretosha ka, karataka, ereta tora kasho, ereta tora kasho, maratasho kasho, ereka kosho, ereka kosho, ereta ko karaka keraraka, karamaka tosha, ereta tosha kasho ko, karatoka ke, ereta taka ko, karaneko oreta ta kasho ka, ereta tara neka, karaneka orata tosha karatara reka ma, ereta tara ma aka ereka ta karata karatora ereko kosha karanasho keretoka kareka koratara ereto toka karatoka kesho ereta tasho ka ereka kara tara matora karatora ereko kora kesho karatera eshoka ke karasho kereta Keretaro raka kerenaka karatesho ereto tosha karenata tosha ereko karereko Erekotora etatara kasho neka. Karaneka tosha ereto tosha kasho mataka ke. Kerenaka tora ereta tasho orota teka karanaka. Kerenaka o ereta ta karaneshu koratanta. Karaneko oreta ta. Oreta taka kora kashoka kerenaka. Ereneka kora tatara. Tatara ereta toko ka. Ereta toko ka matasho karane. Karane orata teka. Karane orata teka karatosha ereta taka. Karatoka kesho kerema. Ereta ta ere karanata tora taratesho. Ereto toka ke. Ereto toka ke mareta tasho karaneta. Ereka ko. Ereka korataka karateka karaneka e shoka ke. E shoka ke tatasho karamata ta. Ereta ta ka. Ereta ta ka karaneka mataka. Kentoka ereto shaketa.
Slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Feel the weight of your body, the rhythm of your breath, and the stillness you have just cultivated. There is no rush to move. Allow the resonance of this transmission to continue working within your cells. You are not the same as you were 5 minutes ago. You are simply more aligned with who you truly are. As you open your eyes, carry this clarity with you. Remember that you are your own anchor. Whenever you feel the noise of the world rising, you can return to this space and return to yourself. Thank you for sharing your energy with me today. To further anchor this practice and explore more daily activations, I invite you to visit JeanetteGibson.com. May you move through your day with grace, intention, and sovereignty.